Hi, I'm Tootie Wilson of Tootylicious. Today I'm going to teach you to make homemade pizza pockets and show you how to freeze them. Let's get started. So here I have some pizza dough. And it's ready made, y'all. You gotta do is pop the can. They come in the can like biscuits. Well, this one in the friendly can because it didn't want to open right up for me. So here we go. Okay. And if you like, you can cut this in half the long way, lengthwise. And you stretch it out. And you're going to stuff it to make your pizza pockets. So I'm stretching the dough right now to the bottom of the plate. And now I'm going to add in my favorite topping. So I have some mushrooms, some ham, some onions, and cheese. So I'll add in a little bit of all of this. And then you can add in your pizza sauce. And if you don't want to add in the pizza sauce, you can just not add it in, freeze it, and then you can save it for dipping at a later time. So you'll just have some sauce. It's all up to you. And then just put in a few onions. And you're going to roll this like a burrito, okay? So you pick it up. And you want to do your ends first. Like so. And then you want to roll it, okay? And after you roll it, you want to put it in some saran wrap, or you want to do parchment paper, whichever one you choose. And because you'll make multiple of these and you don't want them to stick together, so you wrap them each individually and then you stick them in a Ziploc bag. So there you go. That's how you make homemade pizza pockets and freeze them.